If standing up feels a little harder than it used to, if climbing stairs leaves you breathless, or your legs just don't feel as steady anymore, that's not just aging. That's your body quietly asking for help. Because the truth is, your legs are the first to weaken as we grow older. But they're also the easiest to rebuild if you know what to feed them. Today, we're talking about something most seniors never hear from their doctors: how food can rebuild strength and protect your legs even after 60. You see, movement keeps your body alive, but the fuel you give your muscles decides how long they stay strong. And in this video, I'll show you 6 simple, science-backed foods that do what exercise alone can't. They rebuild muscle, improve balance, and restore energy right from your kitchen table. So stay with me until the end, because food number 1 is something you probably already eat, but almost no one eats it the right way. And it might just be the key to walking stronger, even at 90. If your legs start to feel heavy halfway through the day, or you notice yourself slowing down after just a few steps, that's not weakness. That's your muscles running out of endurance fuel. And one of the simplest ways to restore it is with a bowl of humble oats. Most people think of oats as a plain breakfast, but for seniors, they're one of the best foods to build stamina, balance blood sugar, and prevent leg fatigue. Here's why. Oats are packed with slow-releasing carbohydrates, meaning they release energy steadily for hours. So you don't get that mid-morning crash that leaves your legs feeling heavy or shaky. They also contain plant-based protein, which repairs aging muscle fibers, and 2 minerals your legs depend on: iron and magnesium. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, so every step feels lighter and more effortless. Magnesium relaxes muscle fibers, easing cramps and stiffness, especially those painful nighttime leg cramps many older adults experience. But oats don't just fuel your muscles, they protect them. Their soluble fiber supports heart health and circulation, keeping your blood vessels open and flexible, so your muscles receive steady oxygen and nutrients all day long. The best part? They're comforting, easy, and gentle on digestion. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into a smoothie, or baked into wholesome snacks. Because sometimes the secret to stronger legs isn't found in supplements or powders. It's in the quiet power of simple, real food that keeps you walking stronger, longer, and steadier. One spoonful at a time. If you often feel your legs get tired halfway through the day, or simple things like standing up or walking uphill feel harder than they used to, your muscles might not be running out of strength. They might be running out of fuel. That's where sweet potatoes come in. Unlike white potatoes or bread that spike your blood sugar and crash your energy, sweet potatoes release energy slowly, feeding your muscles steady power for hours so you can move, climb, and walk without feeling drained. Inside that beautiful orange color is beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that repairs tiny muscle tears and reduces the silent inflammation that steals your strength as you age. They're also packed with potassium, which keeps your muscles from cramping, and vitamin A, which supports recovery after activity. And here's something most people don't realize. Your gut health affects your leg strength too. Sweet potatoes are full of natural fiber that nourishes good bacteria, helping your body absorb the very nutrients your muscles need to stay strong. Roasted, mashed, or added to soups, they're gentle, delicious, and deeply healing. So next time you need energy that lasts, skip the sugar, skip the bread, and reach for the humble sweet potato. Because sometimes the sweetest way to move forward is to feed your legs what they've been waiting for all along. Every morning, your muscles face tiny battles you can't see: free radicals, oxidative stress, inflammation. They slowly chip away at your strength, your flexibility, and your energy. And one day you wake up and realize your legs don't feel as light as they used to, but the solution might already be sitting in your kitchen, small, colorful, and powerful. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. These little fruits are not just sweet snacks. They're nature's muscle protectors, rich in antioxidants that fight the invisible damage aging leaves behind. Every bite of berries delivers anthocyanins. the deep red and purple pigments that repair muscle cells, reduce inflammation, and protect your blood vessels. Think of them as tiny shields, defending your strength from the inside out. They also boost circulation, bringing fresh oxygen to tired muscles, so your legs recover faster and you can move with confidence again. And that vitamin C inside, it helps your body build collagen, keeping your tendons, ligaments, and joints strong and flexible. But there's something even more beautiful about berries. The same antioxidants that protect your muscles also protect your mind. Studies show that seniors who eat berries regularly enjoy sharper memory, better focus, and slower cognitive aging. So when you add berries to your oatmeal or yogurt each morning, you're not just feeding your body, you're protecting your future. Nature designed these tiny fruits to help you move, think, and live vibrantly at any age. Because aging doesn't mean slowing down, it means learning how to feed your strength with the simple gifts nature has given all along. You know that stiff feeling when you get out of bed in the morning, the one that makes your legs feel tight, heavy, or slow to move? That's not just stiffness, that's inflammation, quietly stealing your flexibility one morning at a time. But nature gave us something beautifully simple to fight it: the avocado. Avocados aren't just a trendy, healthy fat. They're one of the most powerful foods for keeping your legs flexible, your joints smooth, and your movements pain-free. Here's why. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same kind found in olive oil, that calm inflammation deep inside your muscles and joints. Think of them as gentle oil for the hinges of your body, helping your knees bend easier and your legs move freely again. They're also rich in potassium, and here's the part most people overlook. Avocados actually have more potassium than bananas. That means fewer muscle cramps, less nighttime leg tightness, and smoother contractions when you walk or stand. And those good fats, they also improve circulation, so oxygen and nutrients reach your legs faster, keeping them energized, not tired or heavy. But what truly makes avocados special is their vitamin E, a natural repair vitamin that protects your muscles from daily wear and tear. It helps your cells recover faster and keeps your legs feeling alive, even after long days. Mash them on toast, blend them into a smoothie, or slice them fresh with a pinch of sea salt. It's simple, healing food, no pills, no powders, just nature doing what it does best, keeping you strong, flexible, and free to move without pain. So the next time stiffness greets you in the morning, remember, it's not age, it's your body asking for nourishment. And sometimes all it takes to loosen up again is a single, perfectly ripe avocado. Sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't hidden in a supplement bottle. It's sitting quietly in your kitchen. Small, simple, and perfect. The egg. For decades, people feared eggs, afraid of cholesterol, of fat, of the number on a lab test. But here's the truth. Your body was designed to thrive on real food, not fear it. Inside a single egg is everything your muscles, bones, and brain need to rebuild. High-quality protein, with all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. Vitamin D, the sunshine nutrient that strengthens your bones and keeps your legs steady. Choline, to keep your brain sharp and your muscles connected. And healthy fats that fuel energy and absorb vitamins A, E, and K, so your body can use every bit of nourishment it receives. Each time you eat an egg, you're sending your body a message. I'm giving you what you were made for. And that's when healing begins. Because muscle loss, sarcopenia, doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly when your body stops receiving what it needs. The good news is it can be reversed with simple daily acts of nourishment. 1 or 2 eggs a day is enough. Boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled. Cook gently, not rushed. Because food, like life, works best when you treat it with care. I've seen 70-year-olds regain their balance, 80-year-olds walk longer, 90-year-olds regain their spark, just by eating the right foods consistently. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for pills or powders, reach for something nature made whole. Because sometimes the path to strength, clarity, and vitality is as simple as cracking open an egg. Every time you stand up, climb stairs, or take a walk. Your legs quietly carry your entire world. But with age, your body's ability to rebuild those muscles slows down, and what once felt effortless can begin to feel heavy. That's where salmon comes in. Not just as a source of protein, but as one of nature's most powerful muscle rebuilding foods. Inside every piece of salmon are two vital ingredients your body craves: high-quality protein, to repair and strengthen muscle fibers, and omega-3 fatty acids, to calm inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep your joints supple. Think of omega-3s as your body's internal oil, keeping your blood vessels smooth so oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles efficiently. Better circulation means more energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery after movement. But salmon does even more. Its vitamin B12 supports nerve function, helping your brain and muscles communicate clearly, so your steps stay steady and your balance sharp. And the anti-inflammatory power of omega-3s doesn't just protect your heart, it soothes the stiffness that creeps into aging legs and knees, helping you move freely again. You don't need it every day. Just 2 or 3 servings a week can transform your strength. Grilled, baked, or even canned in olive oil, each bite sends nourishment directly to your muscles. Because food can do what medicine often can't. It can rebuild you from the inside out. So the next time you sit down to eat, remember, your meal is more than food. It's fuel for independence. Fuel for another walk, another climb, another moment of freedom. That's the quiet strength of salmon. Healing your legs, one delicious bite at a time. You see, aging was never meant to be a slow decline. It's meant to be a transformation, a chance to rediscover strength, clarity, and purpose in new ways. Because every meal you eat is a message to your body. You can whisper weakness, or you can speak healing. Sweet potatoes that fuel your movement, oats that keep you steady, avocados that calm inflammation, berries that protect your muscles and mind, salmon that rebuilds you from the inside out, and eggs, nature's perfect food, reminding your body what wholeness feels like. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. You just need to return to what's real, what's natural, what's been there all along. Because strength doesn't fade with age. It fades when you stop feeding it. And the moment you choose to nourish yourself again, your body remembers. So eat strong, move gently, and live long with the energy, balance, and freedom you deserve. If this message touched you today, give this video a like, subscribe to Natural Health Path, and share it with someone who needs a little reminder that healing is still possible at any age. Because your best years are still waiting to be lived.